Hi, I'm Kristen, and I teach at New Albany High School. This is my 20th, just finished, or I'm finishing my 20th year of teaching. And I currently am teaching web design, Programming 1, which is a Python class, Programming 2, which is a little bit of Java and mostly C Sharp and Visual Studio, and AP Computer Science Principles. And we use the mobile CSP curriculum. We kind of alternate years. I also teach AP Computer Science A, the Java course, which we'll offer next year. And I don't know what I'm leaving out. Oh, introductory programming, which I sometimes teach, but if our numbers are really good, then there's another teacher who helps out and teaches just the intro classes. So I really love teaching computer science. It's fun. I love getting to have the same students repeatedly, which is good. We have a computer programming team in our school, so we go to 3 competitions a year, only one this year because of our COVID. So anyway, we have an active community, which is a lot of fun. And I like letting the kids kind of have a place that is their, where they feel welcome and they feel like it's their place in the school. I can't remember what else I was supposed to say on this video. Oh, exciting things about myself. Nothing. Not much. Hobbies, laundry, and I don't know. I don't really have any hobbies. That's terrible. But I've spent a lot of time sort of getting familiar with computer programming, so maybe that's a hobby. I do have 2 sons who go to school at New Albany. One is a freshman this year and one is a senior. He's graduating, so he kind of got the bad senior year. But that's about all I can think to say. And I look forward to this class and learning some more and some good strategies on how to teach computer science.